Are you currently renting and thinking you can't afford your own home? Let me dispel that myth right now. So are you renting right now and wondering if or how you could afford a new home? Let me tell you what happened to a client of mine very recently. They called me at the end of May to tell me that they'd been renting for about 5 years and everything was going okay until a noisy tenant moved in above them and they finally had it. So they were looking at alternatives, but they didn't initially think that they could afford it. So I put them in touch with my mortgage specialist and this is what we came up with. So they were pre-approved for $300,000 and their initial plan was to find a standalone home, but in the south end of the city. So 𝗟𝗶𝘀𝘀, Fort Richmond, Richmond West. Now, there are neighborhoods in Winnipeg where I can find you a really nice $300,000 or less house, standalone house. But 𝗟𝗶𝘀𝘀, Fort Richmond, White Ridge, those kind of areas are not among them. So after a few disappointing showings, we switched focus and we started looking at condos. Now, currently, they lived in about an 800 square foot apartment, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, outdoor parking, and they were paying $1,210 a month. So after looking at about 3 or 4 condos, this is what we found them. For $275,000, we got them a 3-level townhouse condo in Bridgewater. Here's what you've got. On the main floor, you have a small office area, plus closets, and the laundry room, and that is the door to the attached garage. So they go from outdoor parking to a single attached indoor garage. On the second floor, we have a half bath, a really nice open modern kitchen with all the appliances, all stainless steel appliances included, and a patio door leading to the balcony, and a large living room area. And the top floor features 2 good-sized bedrooms, a main 4-piece bath, and the large master bedroom with a full ensuite and lots of closet space. Now, as I said, their apartment was 800 square feet. This condo is 1,350 square feet. So let's take a look at how those costs compare. As I already said, they initially paid $1,210 for rent plus hydro. So this condo, we got them for $275,000. They put 5% down, but there's CMHC fees lumped into it, which is around 4%. So let's say that they had to mortgage a $275,000 mortgage and figure out what the interest is on that. So let's be generous and say they're paying 2.4%, which makes a monthly interest cost of $550. So yes, the actual mortgage payment is going to be higher, but anything above the interest goes against their own mortgage payment. So that money is not lost. It's not an expense. It goes to pay down their own debt. The only real cost is the interest. Add to this a property tax of $250 per month, and then a condo fee of $225 a month. Now, hydro costs are going to be very similar as their rented space, as will insurance. The condo building insurance is actually included in the monthly condo fees. So all they have to do is add condo owner's insurance, which is similar to renter's insurance. So add up all these costs, and instead of $1,210 a month, their cost of living in their own home is $1,025 per month. So that's nearly $200 a month less than renting. The garage, lack of noisy neighbors, all that is just a bonus. So here's an interesting tidbit. If you're looking for a house right now, houses are at a premium. There's only about 1,300 for sale in Winnipeg, as opposed to last year this time when there was nearly 1,900. So houses are harder to get. But you know what remains a buyer's market is condominiums. And if you're renting right now and you're itching to get into the housing market, a condo might be a great stepping stone. It's true that condos probably will not appreciate as much as houses, but it is a stepping stone into owning your own property. There are many benefits other than increased property values to owning your own property. Homeowners' benefits include renting it out, borrowing money against it, fixing up the inside, paying down on the debt so that that savings is basically tax-free because it's your primary residence. So if you're thinking of getting into the housing market or into the owning your own home market, condos are a great option because right now there are still over 600 condos for sale, which is comparable to last year at this time. Here's another tip. Those clients of mine didn't actually have 5% down. The mortgage specialist was able to find them a mortgage which used borrowed down payment. So that is a way of using like a line of credit at your bank. Now, in order to qualify for that, you have to have exceptional credit. You have to have above average credit rating. But even if you don't have 5% down, there may be a way to get you into owning your own property with borrowed down payment.
Are you looking to buy a house or a condo in Winnipeg? Work with the agent who takes the time to explain the process to you, guiding you through every step. For service beyond the sale, book your home buying consultation with 𝗀𝗶𝘁𝗀𝘀 of RE/MAX Performance today. Bo knows real estate.
I truly hope that you found this information helpful. Please take a moment to subscribe to this channel and also hit the little bell icon so that you can be notified of any new information we post. If you like listening to audio podcasts, please check for Bo Knows Real Estate on all major podcast players. And if you're looking to buy or sell, house or a condo in Winnipeg, please call or text me anytime at 204-333-2202. This has been 𝗀𝗶𝘁𝗀𝘀 of RE/MAX Performance Realty. Till next time, bye-bye.